A Fetch Rewards account ban is not always permanent because some account restrictions can be reviewed if you provide accurate information and follow the official appeal process. By the end of this, you'll know how to submit a strong appeal, what information to include, and which mistakes can reduce your chances of getting your account reviewed. Start by finding out why your account was restricted. Read the notification or email from Fetch Rewards carefully. The message may explain whether the restriction is related to receipts, account verification, referral activity, or another policy issue. Understanding the reason helps you write a more useful appeal. Next, contact Fetch Rewards through its official support channel. Use the email address connected to your account so the support team can locate your account history more easily. When writing your appeal, explain what happened in clear, factual language. Describe the issue without guessing or making assumptions about why the restriction occurred. If you believe the account was flagged by mistake, say that directly and explain why. Include any information that supports your explanation. That may include screenshots, eligible receipts, confirmation emails, or other account records related to your case. Providing relevant evidence gives the support team more information to review. Avoid sending multiple appeals through different accounts or using different email addresses. That usually doesn't speed up the process and can make your case more difficult to follow. Another mistake to avoid is creating a brand new Fetch Rewards account after receiving a ban. If the original account is still under review, opening another account can create additional account issues instead of solving the first one. If support asks for identity verification or additional documentation, respond as soon as possible. Delays in providing requested information can extend the review process. Keep every reply in the same support conversation so the entire history stays together. While you're waiting, avoid changing important account information unless support specifically asks you to. Keeping your account details consistent makes it easier for the review team to compare your information with their records. Remember that not every appeal results in an account being restored. The final decision depends on the platform's review and whether the account complies with its policies. To sum it up, identify the reason for the restriction. Submit one clear appeal through official support, include relevant evidence, avoid creating another account, and respond promptly if additional information is requested. Next, keep copies of important receipts and account emails going forward, so you'll have documentation ready if you ever need account support again. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Fetch Rewards tutorials, and check out our other videos covering receipt problems, account recovery, and rewards troubleshooting.